Hi everyone, welcome to this course on R programming for epidemiologic data analysis. I'm Ahsanul Haq, and in this course, I'll guide you step by step. In this course, you will learn how to work with public health data in R, from importing data to cleaning and preparing it for analysis. This course is designed for beginners, students, and researchers who want to learn practical data analysis using R. This course is fully hands-on, practical. We will use one data set and go step by step through real example. By the end of this course, you will be able to import data into R, clean and manage data set, create variables like BMI, record variables for analysis, and prepare a clean data set ready for research. Let's get started and begin with RStudio.